Hi everyone, I'm William from Nexion Tech. So basically this is my first video and I thought maybe I should introduce myself first. Recently I have been learning how to use AI to build different things like applications, websites, and some small tools that can help me in daily life. And I thought, why not share the whole process on YouTube? So in this channel, I will be sharing the projects that I am building, the ideas that I have, and also all the problems that I face along the way. Sometimes the AI gives me a solution that works perfectly, but sometimes it really doesn't work. And when I face these problems, I will share how I try to solve them, what I learned, and how I eventually managed to finish the project. But first of all, let me introduce myself. I'm William and I don't have a computer science background. I also don't really have any professional coding experience. I did learn some Python before, but honestly, I'm still a beginner. I'm just learning step by step, trying to understand how to build applications and projects with the help of AI. So I'm not here to teach you because I'm some kind of expert. I'm also learning. Basically, I'm just sharing my journey, what I'm doing, what works, what doesn't work, and all the mistakes I make along the way. I think there are probably many people like me who don't have a coding background but still want to build their own apps, websites, or maybe just some tools to make life easier. So hopefully, my videos can help those people too. You can think of this channel is like a group study section. I learned something, I share it with you guys, and maybe you guys can share some things with me also. If you have any ideas, suggestions, or your own experience, feel free to leave them in the comments. Maybe you can help me solve a problem, and hopefully something I share can help you with your own project. So yeah, that's basically what this channel is about. I'm William, I'm still a beginner, and I'm learning how to build things with AI. Let's learn together and let's see what we can build. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.